Enter the machine factory mode on the system interface and click the Program button. Click it, TCH. Enter the file name you need to program here. Click Create. Now you can do your programming here. Here we demonstrate the programming of points, lines and circles. Record the position of the first point in joint mode. After determining the first point position, click Record, click Quick. Record the coordinates of the second point in the same way. Now the robot's instruction is arc motion. Now show how to do wire programming. Line records the coordinates of the first point. Click Record, click Quick. After recording the second point, click the Straight Line button. This completes the programming of a straight line. Now demonstrate three-point circle programming. After recording the first point, click the Quick key. After recording the second point, click the midpoint key. After recording the third point, click the space arc key. Change the span to 360 in the Details parameter. This completes the programming of the circle. You can view the simulation trajectory here. Thanks for watching.